This is so cute, but if you like this makeup look, then please continue watching. And I'll see you guys next time in the video. Peace out. It won't move. Hey you guys, it's your girl Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, so today I'm gonna do a colorful look today. So I'm gonna use this palette from Bad Habit, and it's called Aftershock. I still have this, so yeah, I'm gonna use that. First, I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty MVP, or Brow MVP in the shade Soft Black. So. Okay, brows are done. So I'm about to use two different concealers. I've been changing it up. So I got, for top of my brows, I'm using the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in the shade Rich Chocolate. I'm using that for top of my brows. And then underneath my brows, I'm just gonna use my OG concealer. It's the Maybelline concealer. Y'all should already know. So yeah, I just doing some new stuff. I might add some more, but this is my brows. So I've been using this. I remember I used it the first time, sometime last year, or I don't know how long I had this. I think I got it last year, and I didn't really like it, but somehow I like it now. It's the e.l.f. Hydrating Booster Drop. So I just put some of that on. Well, first I spray with the NYX, bear with me. It's like a prime, set, and refresher spray. So I spray that on first. I sprayed that on, and then I go with the drops, and then I put a little bit of the Fenty Soft Matte primer on. So that's what I do. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit more concealer on my eye, the same one, and then I'm gonna set it with the oh my god, Laura Mercier honey powder. I can't talk. Okay, my eyebrows my eyelids are set. So now I'm gonna start doing my eyes. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this, but I think I'm just gonna wing it out like I always do. I'd be picking palettes in my collection and just be like, well, just try this. So I'm gonna start with this color on the bottom. It's in the middle. It's called Tingle. I think it says Tingle. It's Tingle. What's that one? I think it's Tingle. I'm bad at words, so if I mess it up, and trust the process, because I'm not a professional makeup artist. I just like makeup, so I don't know the right brushes to use. Just the way it looks, I know this eyeshadow look's gonna be pretty. So I'm gonna blend it out with Sensation. And it's that, oh my god. The way I'm holding it make my hand hurt, so. It's this color. So now darken it up. I'll probably darken it up a little bit. It doesn't mess up the look. It's pure, I don't know, I can't pronounce it. It's this color right here. It's like a dark blue. So I'm gonna use this purple shimmer, and it's called BPM. 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 It's in the middle. My little foot's asleep. Oh my god. Think about it is, I don't know if I need to. I look like damn a ninja turtle, because all this fallout all on my under my eye. So now I'm about to this is all I'm gonna do with the eyes for right now. I'm using my favorite foundation. Is the soft matte from NARS. I can't pronounce the name, but it's medium deep 5. Girl, I look crazy. So I'm using this now too. It's the Elf 16-hour camo concealer in the shade Rich Chocolate. I'm just gonna put it on my eye. Then I'll put my OG. They changed the labeling though, but it's the Instant Age Rewind. Bless you. Use the CoverGirl Tree Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade Espresso. This is for just to contour a little bit. Set my under eye with the Laura Mercier. Is the honey one. And then I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution and Tammy. It's the Paradise Glow. I'm gonna use the Bronze Goddess in here. And I'm gonna set my little contour, because the contour shade in here is real dark. For the rest of my face, I can't talk. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the airbrush finish. This is number 4 deep. I know I said that name totally wrong, but this is for, it's like an airbrush finish. It's for put it on the remainder of my face. I'm gonna go back to my eyes, and I'm gonna use an angle brush, and I'm just gonna use the shade Tingle in this Sensation under my eye. wait till that dries and I spray my face. I'm gonna put my lip liner on. This is the mascara I use is CoverGirl Lash Blast. Oh my god, Lash Blast Volume mascara, and it's waterproof. For my lips, I use the ColourPop Lippy Pencil, and ooh, this got to fall out on my head. What shade is this? Oh, it's in shade Pitch. The next Shout Loud lipstick, and this is a satin lipstick, and this is in the shade Silk. And it's this one. Sorry, I got stuff on it because I used it. It's that. I don't use a gloss, so I'm just like, I'm gonna try something different. I hope I like it. Oh, this is really cute. It's not hard really. Okay. The highlight I'm gonna use is in the Paradise Glow Paradise Glow palette with the X-Men Evolution with Tammy, and the highlight is called Paradise Glow. And this goes a long way. So when I apply my highlight, I do like a C shape. Going on outside, but they get on my nerves. So I'm gonna spray my face real quick with the NYX. I've been saying it all day, with the MAC Fix Plus, and this is in the scent Lavender. It still smells so good. Excuse me. This is really cute. I wanted some blush, but I'm gonna keep it like this because it's really cute like this, and the lips are cute. I want to grab my lip gloss, but no. So this is so cute. I keep looking at myself in the mirror. But this is the finished look for this makeup tutorial, well, eyeshadow tutorial. But this is the end of this video. If you like this whole look, please let me, my bad, Henry, please let me know in the comments down below. Just let me know what you think. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. And also, if you knew, hi, I'm Brittany. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you like this makeup look. Just join the Britney.Shanicee fam. And I'll see you guys next time in the video. Peace out.